This is Sports Rehab Experts hamstring curl progressions. We personally like utilizing the stability ball for this exercise. Just from a personal standpoint, I don't have any research to back that. I just feel like because you're in that bridge position with your leg extended and the hip is extended, you're just going to feel a little bit more tension in the hamstring in that knee extended position. So we like single leg stability ball hamstring curls. 10 to 20 reps, somewhere in that rep range is what you're shooting for, depending on how many number of sets you're doing. If you cannot do 5 single leg stability ball hamstring curls, you should be doing just 2 feet with the stability ball hamstring curl. Now, you don't always have to utilize the stability ball hamstring curl. Sometimes if 2 feet with the stability ball hamstring curl is difficult, you can regress it further and utilize a hamstring curl machine or attach a dumbbell to the bottom of your foot using a thick mini band that works well for anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds or lower, even if you need to start with, say, 2 pounds. This is an excellent way to get started with the hamstring curl movement. If you're wondering where you can get one of these straps, we have a list of all of our recommended products on sportsrehabexpert.com, so just head on over there and you'll see a thick mini band, and you can purchase that straight from Amazon. Doing it bent over is a lot easier than it is standing. The goal would be to bring your calf all the way up so it is touching the back of your hamstring. So we want that full range of motion. So even if you have to start with just 2 pounds, everybody can get started with somewhere, and then they can go back to the stability ball curl as they feel comfortable, as they feel confident, or again, just mix it in to add some variety throughout the week. The nice thing about machines and the weight on the foot is it's very measurable. You know, you tell when you're progressing from 2 to 5 pounds, whereas the stability ball curl, you're really only counting reps and the quality of the reps. There's no real way of advancing the resistance of this exercise, so there is positives and negatives to both, which is why we really don't feel any one of these hamstring exercises are really that superior. So you can mix them into the program or just cycle them through however you would like. But again, from personal anecdote experience, I just feel like if you're dealing with issues behind the knee, the stability ball hamstring curl is going to be more beneficial for you long term. But if it hurts you behind the knee because there's just too much tension there, then start with the dumbbell version or a machine version because it's just a little bit easier of an entry point for a lot of people who have discomfort or pain behind their knee.